We've completed the waterproofing process at this house. As you can see, we final graded. Looks real good. A few days ago, this was all completely dug out for the waterproofing process. We're completely cleaned up, graded. The guys are, as you can see, this is the other side. On this property, the windows are high, so we didn't require window wells. Most we do. Each one of these walls was all excavated to put a waterproofing membrane on. We straightened the wall on the far side, but as you can see, we're completed. Everything's back, graded. This is the basement of the same property I was showing outside. It's in Rosemont area of Regina. Inside, we're doing some bracing. We've just started. So the guys are hanging it. As you can see, the floor has been removed. So this will be getting a new floor as well. I'll just pan around. That wall's the wall that we straightened on the outside. It was in rather rough condition with a inward movement of upwards of 4 inches, probably in places. So it was straightened. It's a driveway wall, which isn't uncommon that they take the brunt of the force of a driveway and the clay and everything beneath, pushing the wall in. We've since straightened it. It's in quite good shape. You can see the reasons why we're doing the bracing. It's cracks in the walls. I'll take you over to this wall. So show you this wall used to be deflected in about 4 inches. Now as you look, the wall is plumb, it's straight. I have pictures from before, which gives you a good idea of the condition this wall was in. So straightening it did a good job. Anyways, that's today's videos of this property. Have a good day and hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.